success? Success is not an accident. It is not a coincidence. Success is the output for what you input. It is the result of the efforts you put in your work. Man, to adopt discipline, you maintain consistency, and you should have all the keys to unlock your success. You know, the thoughts you have a huge impact on you. So a positive thought is one of the keys to success. A person who thinks that, oh no, I can't do this, I can't do that, here he is not even required to proceed with the work and get failed, because he failed the moment he thought he would fail. This is the power of thought. You may be thinking, oh, what's thought? It's just what we think every day, in every second of the day. No, you're wrong. It's not that easy, though it seems easy to talk about. Look at the story now. Once in a class, an experiment was conducted. Teachers came to the class and told the students that as per a scientific research, it has been made clear that students with blue eyes are cleverer, talented, and quick learner compared to the students with brown eyes. After this, a class was divided in two halves. One with student of blue eyes and another of student with brown eyes. Regular classes started for a week. Tests were conducted after a week. All the teachers were shocked to see the results. Students with brown eyes who were poor in studies reported appreciable improvements, and those with blue eyes who were clever reported decline in performance. After that, again, same thing was continued. And once again, teacher came to the class and apologized for the wrong information given in the class. Teacher told the students that they gave reverse information by mistake. Now they said, actual information that is obtained from the scientific research is students with blue eyes are slow learner and poor in studies, whereas those with brown eyes are quick learners. Again, regular classes started. After a week, results were announced. Again, the reports were shocking. It was observed that dull students improved and bright students declined with performance. So, this is the power of thought. Each thought that we put in us, in our mind. It is important for all to filter the thoughts and then allow them to enter in the mind. If you think you cannot do, better is you don't go for the work, because your results are proportional to your thoughts. A large part of success depends on the thoughts that you put in your mind. So always listen to the positive, read positive, write positive, and speak positive, and fill your mind with only and only positive thoughts. Then only you will get the results.